Hey YouTube, hey, it's Mr.Vette. Well, I got another great package today, and this right here is an SQ9 HD 1080p mini car DVR outdoor sports camera. It is a generic dash cam, and I just got it not too long ago, so let's see what's in the package and give it a try. Alright, so this is all that's included. We have cigarette lighter charger. We've got instruction booklet. Doesn't look like it's too bad. This is a generic one, and then it's got the driving recorder, black and white instructions. As normal, a sticky for your windshield. And here's the unit. And it is light. It is, wow. Yeah, let's just not say that's the greatest quality, but it's very, very light. It's kind of cheesy, kind of feeling, and like a lot of the DVR cameras I've seen. Alright, no micro SD card included, so I have to add one of those. Well, let's give this thing a test and see how it goes. Alright everyone, so I have this SQ9 HD 1080p mini car DVR outdoor sports camera, and I'm going to put it in the car and see exactly how it works. I've tested so many of these, and let's see if I can actually get it to plug up on the dash. Okay, according to the paperwork, it says driving recorder, this car DVR, newly increased 4 functions, HD 1080p, 30 FPS, MOV, high image quality, HDIR resolution, shortcut lock and unlock the recording video document, parking monitor function, built-in G sensor. Alright, so I guess I'm going to plug this thing in, and I have a 8 gig SD card, and it comes with the power adapter like normal, and then it comes with the really small light unit. So I'm gonna plug it in and see what the video is like, and I'll let you see the real time. All right. Okay, so this unit looks similar to the Motor Trend unit that I test, which right here in the left-hand top corner is the battery life. Next to it is what the weather condition is. Now, I don't know if you can hear me through the unit yet, but it does look like a microphone with a no button to it. I don't know what that is. And then of course you've got what format you want, and this one says 1080p, and then next to it it's got the video recorder, and then you can see the red light, it's flashing, and then that's letting you know it's recording. But it's almost identical to the other one, as it shows you the date, and then next to it shows you the time after you set them, of course, and then next to that right there in the corner in the red, it shows you what the current recording time is. Now the buttons are so much similar too, as for you have one that kind of looks like an eject button, sort of. I don't know what this one is. I have to look at it. This one, menu, okay, mode, or up arrow. I'm sorry, that's what that is. It's an up arrow, and then you got a down arrow on the other side. So I'm going to keep testing this and see how it turns out. Alright everyone, so I took the micro SD card out of the unit, out of the car DVR HD cam, or whatever you want to call it, and this is what you see. You get all these. Well, see, it doesn't come with a micro SD card, so you have to buy one. I tried the 8 gig and everything. This is actually a 16 gig card, and as you can see when I took it out, you've probably got close to about 25-30 files. And each one of these files, as you can see, is about half a gig or so, anywhere from 300,000 KB to 500,000 KB. And you can set that when you go into your settings of the unit. You can actually set anywhere from 1 minute up to 5 minutes or so. It's so similar to the Motor Trend unit. The Motor Trend does let you set up to 10 minutes, and the files themselves, when you look at this one, it's actually, the quality is not exactly the best of it. But alright, so here we are back with the SQ9 mini card DVR outdoor sports HD camera, I guess is what and as you can see from the live footage, it is not the greatest. So I mean, HD quality, the settings, the pros and cons with this is, the pros is it's small, it's lightweight, very lightweight, it's reasonable cost, and that is about, I mean, it works. It just does basic recording and everything, but that's basically the pros. I mean, the cons, doesn't come with an SD card. Video quality, whether it's 720p or even 1080p, is, it just, you can't even recognize license plates without needing to take it off the dash and show or anything. It has no battery life worth anything. The battery doesn't last at all, hardly. The night vision didn't work at all. It was basically black, so I didn't even bother putting that video in. The instructions, they're pretty easy to read, but they're just kind of a little complex as well on them. But as for a rating, I'd give it maybe a 2 or a 3 if that's what you're looking for. I mean, you might be looking for something like this. Another con is you can take the files off pretty easily by just taking the SD card out, but like I said, it doesn't come with one, so you have to provide one. But other than that, that's this unit. And if you're looking for something that's basic and it doesn't need huge quality or so, there's hundreds and hundreds of sellers selling these, and they're very low cost. Alright, well, it's Mr.Vette, and here's an unboxing, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll keep adding more. Thank you.